We got a Tuttio, baby.
Welcome to another video, guys. So as you guys can see behind me, we did get yet another e-bike. Shout out to Tuttio, and let's check this thing out. The model that they sent me, I'm not sure how you pronounce this, is the Soleil 01. This is not the new one that's like fully blacked out, but I still appreciate it nonetheless. So without further ado, we already kind of popped it open. I'll give you a little sneak peek. Let's start opening this thing up. All right, guys, so we have the majority of the bike already uncovered. As you can see, the bars are right here. The throttle is right there. I still haven't cut the keys. There go the keys. You have the extra parts such as your fork covers and your front and back fenders, which we are going to be changing these out. So as you guys can see, I am already equipped with a pair of these upgraded black pegs. It does come with black pegs, but as you can see, these are a little bit better because it has the screws coming out and they're just a little bit better on the design. Well, guys, what's a project without cutting yourself? We got the first cut of the build, and we're gonna go ahead and put this nice little Gorilla Tape right over the wound. Alrighty, we're all bandaged up, and let's continue putting on the bars. Like a rookie, I literally put on the bars, all 4 screws, before putting on the throttle. So it does not reach for me to put it on. We did put the bars on, and usually it has that thing that goes across right here, like the little bar with the pad, but I actually like it without it, so we're gonna leave it just like that. So we added the Drift 8 plate. We only have the plate, we don't have the starter kit, which you mount this custom plate onto, so that's why it looks a little like small. And then we're about to finish putting on this front tire. We're gonna hammer this in real quick. All right, finishing bolt. I think this might be the last. Oh no, we still have to put the pegs. After this, the pegs, and then we're good. And without further ado, boys, there she blows. This is the final result of the Tuttio Soleil. And as you can see, it looks super good with the orange accents, the Drift 8 plate, and of course the front and back fender delete. Now let me show you some key components on this bike, and let's get right into it. Off the bat, as you can see, it comes with the upgraded brakes, which come with the oil, so everybody likes that. And then we had to add our own little special touch with my signature Drift 8 custom plate, 1 of 1. And then another thing that I like about this bike right here is the fact that it comes with these knobbies. And on top of that, guys, I really like how they went a little extra big on the back, and it gives it like that 1916 feel. And of course, we did have to upgrade it with these aftermarket black pegs. I didn't put the spring in there because it didn't have, or I didn't have the right springs, but as you can see, those are upgraded. And of course, it does come with the infamous kickstand. And this kickstand, as you can see, is adjustable fully, and you can choose the height, which I really like. Let me know what you guys think. This was a really easy bike to build, and I honestly think that it's the perfect bike for an entry-level rider that wants to get themselves into the e-bike, I guess, world, and, you know, dip your foot into the water. But let me know what you guys think I should do to mod this bike right here. I don't know, I'm kind of digging the knobbies on it, but I might want to do sumos and put some street tires on there. So you guys are gonna have to help me decide. Now, in terms of the different modes, this thing does have a top speed of about 35 miles per hour, but there is a little unlocking device that you can buy actually from Amazon, which we are going to be saving for another video when I unlock this bike fully, because my friends, the Shogo twins and Drift 8, both did that to theirs. So I'm gonna borrow it from them, and then basically it's gonna make the bike faster. But this little screen right here is what it comes with. As you can see, we are in sport mode. It tells you the battery, how fast you're going, and then even how many miles the bike has. So it's as simple as pressing this M button, which stands for mode, and you go from eco to tour to sport, being the fastest and most torquey mode of them all. All right, guys, so this is the first ride on the Tuttio Soleil 01. Stop playing with them. Right now we're on what, eco mode, I think? Yeah, we're on eco, so we're gonna put it up. That's tour, and then sport. Let's go. This thing is super fast, and I haven't even unlocked it yet. So I'm super hyped to unlock it. You guys already saw the Tuttio and the full build, how it came out, but you might notice a few things that are different. One being this Insta360 stick that I just added. So we're actually gonna set this up, take off the cover, and extend this bit. But you have to remember that it goes pretty tall. So what I plan on doing is pressing record and then extending it. And then another thing that is super small that I added is this Ride Moto. Shout out to the homies at Ride Moto. I know they watch my videos. If you guys are watching, shout out to you guys. Honestly, this thing is looking pretty sick. Like, now that the Insta360 thing is like all like that, I don't know, it reminds me of like a biker or something. But yeah, enjoy the footage. We're gonna be riding around, so let me switch off to the Insta360 in 1, 2, 3. Oh, we gotta change that to sport. Yeah. Oh. Kickstand. Okay. Oh my god, I didn't know that there was a... I did not know that there was a curb right there. Okay, we're riding. Hopefully that thing doesn't fall off. I'm kind of scared, honestly. Holy cow, look at how rough this road is, because they're like redoing it. It's kind of crazy. It's riding some dirt, or on some grass, I should say. Here we go. Yeah. Here we go, here we go. Woo! What's up, dude?
Are you just posing it right now?
Ow! He's out! Oh, hell no! Come on! Come on! Aerodynamic! Yeah! Yeah! Speed run, 35! We're at 35 miles per hour, yeah!
Hey guys, make sure you subscribe to Thick's Gang.
Yeah. Yeah. Are you know how to do this too? Oh! Double! Oh, that was good actually. You guys did it at the same time. Yo, this thing is hella fast. Alright boys, so right here we have the Tuttio Soleil 01, and this is a little size comparison compared to the Ebox and then compared to the Sur. So if we zoom out, you can tell that the Tuttio actually sits higher on the seat compared to the Ebox, and it's a little bit beefier. And then on the Sur, obviously you guys know that compared to the Tuttio, this thing is huge, but this one sits a little lower because it has supermotos. So I really like how that sits. 1412, so you kind of get like that dirt bike style. Overall, if you guys are looking for a starter bike, I would recommend the Tuttio. This thing is like 1400, right? And then how much is the Ebox?
This is like 1,600.
And 1,600. So you get a little bit bigger of like frame and body versus the Ebox, and the Ebox is 200 bucks more. And then obviously you guys know, as I already said, it comes with a 1412 setup with the knobbies. So if you guys like that style, it already comes with the tires and you don't have to spend the extra money. And then we really like the colorway on this because it comes with black and orange. So you almost don't really have to even do anything to make the bike look good. All right, boys, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys didn't already know, I'm actually doing a giveaway with Hover Hearts, and we're giving away about 5 to 15 mini e-bikes, which actually look very similar to this Tuttio and this Ebox right here. So if you guys don't have an electric bike and you're looking to get a bike, go over to Hover Hearts on their Instagram and guess how much the new e-bike is, and that will actually enter you into the giveaway. But until next time, we'll see you guys. And we might have a video coming actually, because this guy just got a Sur, so we might have to actually review it. Who knows? Peace.
You have that. Oh, yo, you good? Yo, you good? Yo, you promised.